drawing.
Yay!
Hello, my creative little friends. Welcome back to Princess Design Academy. Today, we are going to learn how to draw and color Princess Annabella as a beautiful strawberry mermaid. Are you ready for some fruity magic? Let's go!
Let's trace my head. You are doing a fantastic job because you are very clever and creative. Look at this perfect circle for my face. You are a truly talented artist. Now, let's draw my hair. My hair is very long, wavy, and beautiful, just like the waves of the ocean. Can you make your lines long and beautiful too? Yes, you can. My tail is very strong and fast. It helps me swim across the deep blue sea. Your drawing lines are getting so strong too. Let's add the strawberries. These fruits are so sweet, red, and delicious. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, sweet. Strawberries! You are a wonderful counter.
Coloring.
Red!
Pink. Green.
My tail looks so colorful and vibrant now. What is your favorite color? Red!
Green. Pink. Cream. Brown.
Let's paint my hair with a warm and soft brown color. It looks so neat and pretty. You color so well.
Blue. Light pink. Green. White. Sparkle.
Look at this magical, sparkly, and radiant glitter. Now I am shining like a real star. This is an amazing piece of art. Thank you for being such a good and awesome friend today. Ask your parents to subscribe to Princess Design Academy so we can draw together again. See you next time. Bye-bye.